you can literally check out my last video and see that I gave you this bottom long. I didn't manage to long right here. I had this area, but it's still long from right here, basically from this level right here, for a 17% ROI. This was insane. This is without the leverage. With leverage it's way more. But now we're looking for new trends, and as you can see, this video is no financial advice, by the way. If you just check out my trades, how many losses do I have from these price predictions? Because every day I give you top trades, the top trades, and I'm taking that whales are taking. So first of all, are we in an uptrend or in downtrend? We are at a dangerous place. That's why I'm calling this an urgent video, because we are at a major area that is about to close. It's too close and it has to pick a side. And quite frankly, it doesn't look super bullish right here. I have some biases for shorts right here. But what can we see on the shorter time frames? So the shorter time frames, we can already see we have some divergences right here, and that's why we'll be taking a so it's a little over, but yeah, I'm interested in shorting this to the downside as fast as I can, and I'll start taking profits around VWAP, and hopefully we can go for one of these areas right here. So this is exactly how I'll be trading Velo. If you want to follow my trades, use the link in the description down below. Also, I'm up to 174 grand now on meme coins. If you want to follow these trades, there's the link in the description down below to my Signal chat. Also, if you want to learn my personal strategy, I have my course. It's pretty cheap. It's in the description down below. I've been updating it with new stuff as well, so check it out. It's discounted for a limited time. Also in the link in the description down below, you'll find a link to WEEX. They're an exchange that they're giving away 20% on top of whatever you deposit. So definitely worth checking out. $10 to $100 coupon as well for just securing your account. Why wouldn't you check it out? See you next video.